Everyone, please check your audio and video settings, please. Yesterday we have discussed what limitation of JDBC template and named parameter JDBC template classes. By default, JDBC template and named parameter JDBC template are thread safe. Because they are thread safe, they allow only one request at a time. Okay. But in web application, you will get one request at a in web application, we get one request at a time or lots of requests. In web application, we get one request at a time or we'll get lots of requests. We get multiple requests. So at that time, performance issue will come or not. Online auction is going on. Online shopping is going on. So many people will use website simultaneously by generating multiple requests simultaneously, right? They generate multiple requests simultaneously. What do you say, boss? Definitely generate multiple requests simultaneously. No doubt in that, right, boss? JDBC template, named parameter, JDBC template class objects are thread safe by default. You refer the documentation. Yesterday also I said this. You simply say JDBC template docs. JDBC template docs. An instance of this class is thread safe once configured. You simply say named parameter JDBC template. Named parameter JDBC template docs, guys. An instance of this class is thread safe once configured. An instance of this class is thread safe once configured. Clear, my dear? Yes, boss. A simple JDBC insert is a multi-threaded reusable object providing easy insert capabilities for a table. A simple JDBC call is a multi-threaded reusable object representing a call to a stored procedure or function. To call PL/SQL procedure or function, simple JDBC call. To generate the insert query dynamically and to insert the record in multi-threaded environment, simple JDBC insert we have to use. Super. Okay. Shall we understand simple JDBC insert today? Takes a data source object as dependent object. It directly uses data source object. It is multi-threaded object. That means this can be used to perform record insert operation on DB table simultaneously. That means multiple records can be inserted simultaneously by taking the support of multiple threads. Suitable in standalone environment and also in web application environment, but can be used only for insert record operation. Can be used only for insert record operation. Understanding? Okay. Suitable for standalone application. One user at a time inserts the record. One user at a time inserts the record. Right now, boss? Suitable in standalone environment. Also in web application environment, but can be used only for record insert operations. Based on given DB table name, column names, column values, the insert SQL query will be generated dynamically according to the underlying database software. According to the underlying database software. Clear, my dear? Okay, we need not to give insert SQL query, Ra Babu. You supply DB table name, you supply column names and column values. The insert SQL query will be generated dynamically. We can give table name using set table name method. We can give column names and column values either in the form of map object or in the form of SQL parameter source interface implementation class object. How many are there? 2 are there. Map SQL parameter class object, bean property SQL parameter source class object. Map SQL parameter source class object, bean property SQL parameter source class object. Getting my point, guys? Map SQL parameter source class object, bean property SQL parameter source class object. Okay, we can specify column names, column values, either in the form of map object or in the form of these two things. We can call execute method. We can call execute method either having map object or having SQL parameter source implementation class object to generate and execute insert SQL query to insert the record in DB table. To simply insert the record in DB table. Understanding my statement, boss? To simply literally insert the record in DB table. Understanding? We can call execute method either having map object or having SQL parameter source implementation class object to generate and execute insert SQL query to insert the record into DB table. To simply insert the record into DB table. Convinced, my dear? Got the clarity, my dear? Everyone understood my statement here, guys? Insert SQL query to insert the record into DB table. So shall we start doing the work, boss? Eclipse, boss. (616) boot. Sorry, 64. Yeah, I'll try to show all the 3 permutations and combinations, boss. Don't worry. Create project. Context support, Spring JDBC, Oracle driver, Hikari CP, Lambda KP. Lambda KP. I'm trying to use all of this. But actually, all these are already added. But first, let me create from the scratch level. That's copy pasting good, but let me do from scratch. Tell me, Maven hyphen, archetype hyphen, quick start hyphen, say next. IOC Pros 14, guys. Simple JDBC insert test. Okay, Dilip Yadav, they will ask questions on concept, not on the method names, class names, right? Every time in advanced topic, questions will be there on concept. Okay, what is JDBC template? Where did it use? What is callback interface? This com.nt. Interview always happens on the concept. not on the API. Because you can remember 100 method, 200 method. There are thousands of methods in Java, right? Yeah. Mistake has come. F2 guys, IOC pros how much? 0.4. Simple JDBC is it IOC pros? I think we have taken wrong name. It should be JDBC pros now, boss. Where is that? JDBC pros. Simple JDBC insert, third one. Achha, it came here. Okay, then this is wrong now. F2. It should be JDBC pros. JDBC pros 0.